Alright, so this is going to be a video on how to edit the layout tab in the theme options. So when you go in here, you can choose between a full width website, which is what is currently being shown, a boxed website, which is going to add some bars on the sides, and you can choose the width of the website and how much width you want to have it until those sidebars come into play. And then there's also framed, which is going to frame the entire site, so there's actually going to be a section up here and at the bottom, so it's going to be, the website is going to be completely framed. You can also change this color as well here, and then you can also add a background image if you would like. So this is nice if you wanted to kind of go for this look with the background image. Going back to full width, you can actually change the container width of your website. So this is going to change the width of all of the elements and kind of the margins on the side of the pages. So right here you can see that there's a little bit of margin here on each side. If we increase this to make, like, say 600 or 1600, it's going to decrease that margin and it's going to increase the size of the elements. So if you wanted to go for a really full width looking website, you can do like 1600 or the default, which is 1080. And this wouldn't work for this site because we've already optimized it for 1600 pixels, but the default is 1080, and it's going to leave the margins on the side. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you have any questions.